Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Key Light Neo from Elgato to your Windows PC. And at first you should of course plug it in, and you can also use it if you plug it in just to a power brick, but you won't be able to control it through your computer. You know, there are all the buttons that do exactly the same as the control panel or on your computer, but if you want to set it up with the computer, then you need to plug it into your computer, right? And it's quite convenient because it lets you don't have to move to click on the button and stuff. You can simply do it through the device. And now you can see it works. I can turn it on, I can change the brightness and basically everything. So it can be either connected to computer or just power brick in order for it to work at all. But if you want the control center, then you should go to ELGATO.com, and I'm just gonna select the language as well. So WW for worldwide and N for English, because otherwise it'll set my local language. And then select downloads and find Camera Hub. Then you can simply download it and continue with download, so you don't need to enter the email. Now it'll start downloading itself. No, not the Camera Hub. Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, you should select the Control Center. Yeah. So Control Center, continue with download, then open the Control Center. If it lets me. Yeah, and next, accept the license agreement. Next, install. Now it should be installed. And as you can see, in the bottom right corner, it opens in the system tray right here. So that's how you open it. And you can enable it from here. You can change the brightness. It says that it's 40% right now. I don't really know why. Let's see more about it. I don't really know. Yeah. Okay, so it depends on what I plug it into. Because if I plug it into USB-A, then I'll have the 40%. If I plug it into computer USB-C, then I can have up to 700 lumens, which is 70% of its capabilities. And if I plug it into an external power supply, then I will get 1000 lumens. By the way, you can also connect your light to the computer via Wi-Fi. And you can also connect it to your phone, your iPhone or Android phone, or to a MacBook or iMac. So just feel free to use whichever method you like, or don't connect it at all if you don't need it. And this is basically it. So if you want to have a greater brightness, I think that brightness is really enough for me. But if I wanted more, since it has those capabilities, then I should connect it to an external power source. And I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.